What if you could start a side hustle with AI today, with zero investment, and actually earn real money within days? In this video I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools you likely haven't used yet, each with a step-by-step example you can copy. No coding, no huge marketing budget, just smart execution. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to TechMoneyLab. If you're ready to turn technology into real income, and avoid the mistakes I made, hit subscribe and the bell icon now. Alright, hustle number 1. Use predis.ai for social media content services. Predis.ai is an AI-powered content generation and scheduling platform. It lets you create social media posts, carousels, reels, video ads and schedule them, all in one place. How to monetize it? Create a gig on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. I will create 10 Instagram posts plus schedule for 1 week for $30 approximately. Use predis.ai's free trial or free limited plan to generate visuals and captions quickly. Example workflow. You receive the client's brand info, plug into predis.ai, generate 10 posts plus 1 reel video for the week. Deliver with a simple Google Drive link. If you charge $30 and deliver to 3 clients per week, that's $90 per week or $360 per month. Scale to 5 clients, you're approaching $500 per month, with zero software cost. Pro tip. Pick a niche, example, local fitness studios, doctors' clinics, micro businesses where clients are willing to outsource social media content but don't know how. That gives you less competition. Hustle number 2. Sell AI-powered resume and LinkedIn profile services using WordTune and AI plus Canva. WordTune is an AI writing companion that helps you rewrite, tone match, enhance writing, fix grammar, generate fresh paragraphs. Combine it with a free design tool like Canva to offer premium resume services, LinkedIn banners, and profile packages. How to monetize it? Create a gig. LinkedIn profile optimization plus resume rewrite plus banner design, that is $35 approximately. Workflow. Ask client for current resume plus LinkedIn URL, run text through WordTune to refine. Key bullet points, tone, import improved text into Canva for a sleek design plus banner, deliver PDF. LinkedIn cover image. Example. You get 5 clients per month at $180 per month. Upsell offer, LinkedIn outreach messages, or job search strategy sheet, for extra money. Pro tip. Target Indian audience since you're in India, and mention Mumbai, Bengaluru professionals. Many Indian professionals pay for better resume, LinkedIn profiles. And if you really want to elevate your mindset, habits and money decisions so you can scale these hustles faster, check out my $1 Life Mastery ebook, link in description. Hustle number 3. Use Descript for podcast and video repurposing services. Descript is a tool that turns audio, video into editable transcripts, and you can edit video by editing text. It also lets you create clips, add captions, repurpose longer videos into shorts. Based on article mention, podcasting, video making side hustles with AI. How to monetize it? Create a gig. Turn your YouTube video or podcast episode into 3 to 5 social media clips, reels or shorts plus captions plus thumbnails for $45 approximately. Workflow. Take client's long podcast or YouTube video, import into Descript, use transcript to identify 3 to 5 engaging 30 to 60 second segments, export short videos with captions, deliver to client. Example. 1 client per week at per month, $190. If you take 2 clients per week, $380. Use free version of Descript, some limits plus ask for client uploaded video to avoid costs. Pro tip. Focus on niche creators, fitness coaches, finance YouTubers, wellness influencers who already have long videos but need clips for reels, shorts. They'll pay for this service. So there you have it, 3 new side hustles using AI that you can start today with $0 investment, just time plus your laptop, phone. 1. Social media post creation with predis.ai. 2. Resume and LinkedIn optimization with WordTune plus Canva. 3. Video or podcast repurposing with Descript. These aren't hype, get rich quick schemes, they require reaching out, delivering value, and being consistent. But they scale far faster than classic side hustles because AI does the heavy lifting. Comment below which of these 3 you're going to pick this week. and if you want me to deep dive on one of them with a full tutorial, gig description plus samples plus outreach messages, type go in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with someone who needs a side hustle, and subscribe for more.